We're here at the Gösserhallen, an amazing industrial building close to the central station of Vienna, which turns into the secret festival center in the second half of the festival. Not that we present a lot of big theater, music theater and dance productions here, there's also a new format, the so-called Deep Fridays.
Each Deep Friday starts at 10 p.m. and goes long into the night with just an incredible, diverse mix of performance art, music, installation. We really want people to just come, experiment, discover something new, and hang out for a long time.
Gonna dance on your head, gonna dance on your head, gonna dance on your head, gonna dance on your head.
For sure there's a lot of music, people like Elisha Crampton, Terra Transitory, Mesh, so a really brilliant musicians, and that's all for free, so everyone is warmly welcome here.